Hi everyone. Do you know what is the best hospital in this world? The best hospital is our body, your body. And who is the best doctor? Is your body, the body. Our body knows how to prevent further diseases, how to fight with diseases, and how to make a proper treatments. And what we have to do? We have to support it. Let's come to the recent topic. The topic is oxygen and coronavirus. Nowadays, a lot of mutations of coronavirus coming like a harmonium playing. Like you play harmonium, a lot of music coming. So a lot of mutations coming. Some are dangerous, some are spread very fast. Transmission rate is very high, infection is high. Sometimes it's called major problems. I'm telling about now oxygen and coronavirus, how it is related. And oxygen, we have to understand that oxygen is our main food because in our body we have trillions, more than 100 trillion cells, and each cells need oxygen. I told before also. So oxygen is main nutrition for cell for hour. Without food we can live 1 or 2 days, but without oxygen we cannot live a minute. Every day we need 2 to 3 liters of water, but if you can compare with water and oxygen, we need 7 to 8 liters of oxygen per minute, not per hour, per minute. And every day we need 11,000 of liters of oxygen every day. So if we can compare the oxygen 11,000 liters, we need every day 11,000 liters of oxygen. Every minute 7 to 8 liters of oxygen. Why I repeat the oxygen every time? Because it's our main food. If you supply enough oxygen and good quality of oxygen to your body, 70 to 80% of disease will go away. You develop a preventive mechanism in your body. Disease cannot attack you. Cancer cells cannot develop in your body. Every day we develop a cancer cell in our body, but it die because we have a preventive mechanisms. Everyone develop a cancer cells in every day, but they die. They cannot spread. They cannot multiply because our body know how to fight it. Let's come to the topic, the coronavirus. Coronavirus always playing with oxygen. Coronavirus, it was proved before corona coming to the nose and the lungs. Now they proved it that coronavirus directly go to the lungs. And if it go to lungs, is our lungs make it like this structure, taking the oxygen, supply to the body, and take the CO2 and coming out. When you breathe in environments, we have 20% of oxygen. And when you breathe, we take fresh oxygen 20% and we exhale out 15%. So 5% of this oxygen is going to our body. So I will make a little bit advanced. When you normally breathe, we take 5% of oxygen. We inhale 20%, exhale 15%. So 5% of oxygen out of 20% goes inside our body. And we have to take a little bit more enhanced oxygenations. There are a lot of yoga practice. You need to make a long breath and hold it some seconds in the lungs so that saturation of oxygen in the lungs will going well. That is, we need it. And our bodies, our lungs knows how to take and how to supply to the body. We have to consider oxygen is our main food. First thing. Second, now in 2 weeks before coronavirus came after it's just 1.5 years. Now 2 weeks before Lancet, the medical journals reported transmissions of travel of the coronavirus inside the house is higher than the outside. You can find one conclusion line that it can be dilute if you have enough air. So that's why outer is less danger than the inside the house. We did little pilot work. Why it's happened, what is these things, and we checked a lot of several rooms, the oxygen quality and quantity. You can think in a house, 20 square meter of house, generally in principle it should be there more than 10,000 liters of oxygen. But if you can see 20 or 30 square meter of a house, 40% of these rooms where you sit or sleep or work is occupied by some other things. I am giving one small example. For example, one take a half glass of water and full glass of water. If you can see full glass of water, you can say this is complete glass of water, and think about it for 10 seconds. The half glass of water means the half the water and the rest of the glass is filled with air, filled with oxygen, filled with good quality of air. Exactly. We have to make our empty rooms. We have to put the minimum requirement thing inside the room so that we can get ample amount of the airs. That first steps we have to take care right now, very important, because coronavirus is already in this planet. We have to work with coronavirus, and the mutations is coming day by day everywhere. So I told 1 year before, coronavirus will come to everyone. We have to fight with them. We have to adapt something to fight against corona. So first steps, we have to clean the rooms. We have to give enough space so that air is coming and in and out. Ventilation will be perfect so that we get enough quality of airs. Second, it is reported scientifically that inside our house or bathroom, more than 5 to 750 of synthetic chemicals inside the rooms. Cleaning for the floor, cleaning the dishes, to make it bathroom good fragrance, perfume, etc. And what does the role, why those chemicals, 700 chemicals inside our rooms, which is present in all for everybody rooms, and how will it deal with oxygen? Friends, as I told, oxygen our main food, and if you can see the chemical structure of oxygen, it's called O2. O and then 2. Always remember 2, not a single O. So those chemicals, when, for example, you have enough space and something good quality of air, and if you spray such things, something you feel the good smell, there are synthetic chemicals that can break the O2 to single O. And this single O, our body never welcome the single O. But we breathe it because it's available nearby our area. So we use these chemicals, we splitted this O2 to single O, and this single O go into our body, then something going wrong in the body, then they create free radicals. And these free radicals can damage the cell membrane, can damage the tissue, can damage the organs, different organs. It is just going around the body, roaming the different organs, and it can damage. So because of the chemical we are using in perfumes and or any synthetic chemicals for our daily life inside the rooms, they split the O2. My recommendation to you that to get a good quality of natural quality of oxygen, please don't use such chemical indoors, and try not to use any good synthetic fragrance. If you want to make a good fragrance, there are a lot of herbal fragrance are available. You can use them. Millions of people are using the perfume, different fragrance, synthetic, so that make a good smell on the bathrooms and kitchen, everything. But remember, those chemicals split this our natural O2 to the single O, and single O can harm our body. First, we have to give enough space in the room to allow the good quality and quantity of oxygen. Second, we should avoid those chemicals who splitted the oxygen O2 to O. And third is we have to find the times once per week we have to go out to the forest. Look, I am in the close to rivers and lot of tree. There is a small waterfall, and we checked. We have some oxygen sensing machine here. We checked it different locations up there, and we found very high quality of oxygens. And also here in the waterfall and some other waterfall, we can check that we get a negative ions which is needed. So coming to the point that we have to find at times once or twice per week we should go to the forest. We have to get lost in the forest. We have to enjoy that real oxygen which is free of cost, and that's very important to get the real our main food. This is for nutrition for our cells. Our body needs it. And the last and very important fourth step is you see the mountains. And why I see the mountain, if you can see, compare the oxygen level is here and the top of the mountain or somewhere the higher levels, or you can do a lot of exercise. Just giving this example mountain, then you can see the in the mountain, top of the mountain, the oxygen, the quantity of oxygen is a little bit lower than the here. And why I am telling you to go to the mountain once per week, do it up to 6 weeks whenever you get times, because in 2019 3 scientists got Nobel Prize in medicines that they discover how our cell sense to oxygen availability. What this means, I am telling you in a simple language, when you go to the mountain, top of the mountain, oxygen quantity is low as compared to here. So our body can adapt a oxygen adaptability when you go to the mountain. Not only one, we have to go a number of times. We need to get a oxygen adaptability in our body. We have to climb the mountains or do very good exercise, bicycling. Then our body, the trillion cells of our body can develop a oxygen adaptability in our body. And then what this oxygen adaptability and how is this coronavirus? Coronavirus is playing with the oxygen. Nowadays, lot of countries like India and some other, their oxygen crashes. They are waiting. Many corona positive patients are waiting for oxygen cylinder. They need oxygen. If we have enough oxygen adaptability, and you have to develop these things at least in 6 months, then your body knows how to deal with the low oxygen availability. And corona is always disturbed to the barrier to supply the oxygen. And we have some documented that some people who are doing bicycle, climb the mountains, do good exercise, means they develop the oxygen adaptability, including me. And those people have a never problem with coronavirus. Even I have also met more than 100 of positive people in COVID-19 patients, and I spend hours and hours with them. After that, they make a test, and I always found corona negatives. This is not just only many people, those found corona positives, they recovered by any medication. They don't take any medicine, they just spend time in the park where there are not so much people. If they compare the park or the forest they walk, they get enough oxygen. So our oxygen, if we supply enough oxygen and good quality of oxygen, then we can deal with a lot of these, not only coronavirus, many. So oxygen is the main food. I recommend friends, find a time, go to the forest, and try to enjoy the natural oxygen. real O2, not single O inside the rooms. Then you can feel it, you can improve it. You know, if you have enough oxygen in your body, you feel like a bird. So if you think that's something not going messy inside our body. Nowadays, people eating too much and they don't consider to explore the nature to get enough oxygen, and they're eating too much but they are not getting enough energy. Everybody is saying tired, painful, body is going full pain, tired because of this oxygen inavailability, because of the quality of oxygen, because of the chemical you are using. You are not taking the free natural oxygen O2, we are taking O. So that's why people create hypertension, lot of etc. diseases are going happening in the people, even they are eating very nicely. We have to consider oxygen our main food, and we have to get through such forest or parks where this we breathe out of carbon dioxide, and tree like this, they take the carbon dioxide as their food productions and they give oxygen to us. So trees are our best friend, our best medicines. So if we make a calendar once or twice per week to explore, I repeat and again, find a time, consider as a medicines to go to the forest or to work 1 or 2 hours, it's like a medicines, then you will be free from not only coronavirus, you can be free from lot of diseases, and you can develop your preventive mechanism in your body. It's better, friends, it's better not to welcome the diseases, to prevent. So if we develop some mechanisms so that if disease will come, it can be destroyed within hours. And many people, they don't consider about the preventive medicines, how to prevent the diseases. They just waiting for the medicines. So like a corona vaccine is coming, people are taking, it's fine. Corona vaccine is like it's inactivated something, develop antibodies. But that is, if you can see how fight with virus, these antibodies never work alone. If you are working well, if you are eating well, if you are doing exercise well, then everything, all immuno cells working in a coordinated manner to fight against virus. For example, any unknown virus, apart of coronavirus, lot of other viruses going inside the body, and our body, our immuno cells can recognize this virus is not from inside the body, this is from outside, we need to attack them. Then our natural killer cell, scientists name that natural killer cell, they just grab like octopus and then destroy within a few hours, and then it's going by the from our body. We have to create natural killer cells powerful. A part of vaccine, a part of taking the vaccine, we have to clean our body, we have to detoxify our body, we have to supply enough oxygen. That is the thing. For cancer, every day we develop a lot of cancer cells, but it die because if it die, when they get our cells are enough to fight with them. So oxygen our main food. If we supply oxygen, if we develop the oxygen availability mechanisms, then you will be free from a lot of diseases. It is seen that those people who consider and follow these guidelines, then they improve their quality of life, and 70-80% disease will go away within a few months. So friends, we have to consider oxygen our main food, and I hope these guidelines or these recommendations will be work for you. If you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. And please friends, go and explore and enjoy the natural O2 quality in the forest. This is the best medicines, as I mentioned, best medicines, best doctor, best hospital. We have to take care our body inside. Thank you.